Yeah, there's another VCR project. This one's a JVC. What is it? Model HR-50. Well, let's see. Don't have my glasses on. I'm not being able to read it. You can probably read it in the video. SuperVHS. Looks pretty nice. The door is kind of stuck open, and the owner reports it has some kind of problem. So I think I'll take the top off of it and we'll take a quick look. Alright, here we go. Let's see what happens. Oh, well, there we go. That's part of the problem. It won't take the tape. So we have some kind of mechanical issue. Let's take a look at that. So here's what it's doing. It's got auto blinking in the display. So I hit the button to turn it on. It spins up the head and then goes back to that again. Okay, it looks like that tray is not fully ejected. Here, let me go down here, and there's a little turn wheel right here. And yeah, see, as I turn that, it goes ahead and ejects the tape. So, that built okay. Well, that's still. Let's take a look at that and see why that's not ejecting all the way. Okay, by playing with this thing a little bit, I noticed the loading motor was kind of turning, but it wasn't loading. Now I got it to partially load the tape, but then it shut down. So it's really looking like a mode control switch that's dirty. So I think that's what I'm going to do, try to unload this and find the mode control switch and clean it up and see if that helps out. Let's see. Where's the power button? Let's try powering it on, see if it ejects it. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, it seems very confused. Alright, let's get that tape out of there. Okay, this has been a bit of a discovery with this VCR. First of all, I took the loader off, dug down, and pulled this little programming bar off because it was hiding this issue right here. You see that spring? That's supposed to connect to a little piece of plastic that's broken off of this lever and pull this back. See, when it pulls that back, it engages that gear with that other gear right there. And that's what drives the whole loading mechanism. So that's why this the tape is not loading properly. So I need to figure out how to make that spring right there connect in to that little hole, which was a little piece of plastic or something that was there that held that. I think what I'm going to do is open up that spring and just pop it in that hole right there. Now NorCal715 kind of had the same issue, and I watched one of his videos and he explained that. So thank you very much for that, and I'll see if I can get that spring attached and get this VCR working again. Alright, got that spring reattached. And that is allowing that gear to re-engage with the spindle. This is kind of the part of that gear is driven off of the spindle, so that's what's used to load the tape. So let's put this back together and see if it works. Okay, got the chassis back in the cabinet, and Let's turn it on here. It's hooked up to a monitor. Looks like it's come to life. Let's try Alice in Wonderland. Look at that, it loads. Threads properly. And looks like it's playing. There we go. Really nice picture. Let's see what we can do here. Let's fast forward. Okay, that's going. Let's rewind. Oh, I hit stop. Hit play. How about hitting pause? Okay, it pauses properly. Oops, I hit stop. I'm just playing with this joggle thing. Well, I guess that jogs forward and that jogs backwards. Plays again. And let's see, will it eject? Yes, it will. Okay, so this one is repaired. It was just that little broken tab on this little slider mechanism. And you can just see it. Let me see if I can focus in on it. Oops. Right down in there. There's the spring. Oops, get out of focus. You can see that little spring, how I just opened that up, end up, and looped around that hole, and that holds that lever back so that now it contacts, engages in the gear and works properly. So this one's repaired. So another VCR. It's not going to go to the e-cycle waste. So thanks very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.